What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, right now is like GX or Muma Rich look like say them break up my people or Muma Rich left GX. You see it, I'm gonna share that with Uno. We also have Sky Diamond done GX in the wickedest way. I remember Sky Diamond did a one of the person them who did a try for make GX, you know what I mean, start rank or whatever. Also my people, Diamond cut left figure it out and now give him no knowings. You see me? We are gonna make no hear what him have to say. We also have the woman who named Zan something another. I go for Diamond in the wickedest way and Diamond respond to her. So here we go my people. We have them thing I don't know if me left out nothing, but we are gonna get in it. You understand? So let me know what you think in the comment section. And what you hear in the intro, definitely I will see in the video. And maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So I could get in it, my people.
Yes. Then we'll start putting the images on. Alright, Junior. You can't hear this. You can't hear the music, can you?
No, I can't hear. Bossy, please. Yeah, cause this is serious something. One universe can make a rocky world, you know. Yeah, M. Big up. Yeah.
Can you ask Bossy to turn the music down?
Oh, that might be me. Let me mute my thing.
Thank you guys. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Can you tell him the clue is some people eat it?
Repeat.
Don't tell Junior that. Don't tell Junior that. Junior, what is that? What animal is that?
No, why we have to start up with character like yeah, it have to be something where me would have known. Me would know say this would have look like a bat or a cat. What is this?
You said it the first time. So what? You said the right answer the first time. So what animal? What definition?
Oh, batul.
Okay. Boom. You see it in the ad?
He never said it.
Yeah, true. God no, this kind of thing to do.
No, him said batul.
What was your answer, Junior?
No, I say batul. That's what I said. I never said the next.
Yeah, say it.
What happened?
So basically, it's something that's on your body.
Bumbo man, Mr. M. What kind of something this now? What kind of body will you promote?
Well done, 1-0.
Good job. Good job.
You can pass. If you don't know it, say pass.
Jesus Christ. Pass.
No brainer.
Junior, this easy. Come on, Junior.
Bumbo today the people them go system.
You just do your voiceover.
Oh, word boss.
Well done.
Yeah, that easy for true. Yo, God no bro, no catch me off here.
What animal is that?
Canon. No, a camel mo for say a true me that priest more like go I cannot. No, a camel.
Okay.
What's on his feet?
Huh?
What is on his feet? What happens when a woman's trousers ride up in the front of herself?
Repeat?
When you see one fat boom boom, you see the what is printing out.
Thank you, Donovan. man.
Yo, yeah, Sir M. It's always good for like learn and all of that, but this I go fuck up my brain. It would have be camel foot?
No. Where the panny foot? What is the
Two, not two of them there?
Okay, so then put it together now.
Oh, camel toe.
Okay.
Alright, how much stay up on the points now?
Right now you get 2. You have 2.
What that?
When you cuss somebody, what you call them?
Eh?
When you cuss somebody, what you call them?
Oh, no drunk crow?
Yes. Well done.
Eh?
Yes. Junior, the skis.
No. Yellow man.
Yes.
Yes. Well done.
Junior, good.
You get 4.
Yeah, man, cause no yellow, it have to be, I could have green. Zungu zengu muzungu zeng. Zungu zeng, zungu zeng. Shot forward. What up?
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Junior, it was a pleasure to meet you, my friend. It was a pleasure to meet you. If
Blessings and blessings alone.
if you don't
Alright,
mind,
Mr. M.
could
So,
I get a follow
we
back?
come to the end now?
Yes.
Okay, bro. Me not for ask if me do good, bro.
Let me tell you something
See
now.
people them start dance.
Can I tell you something?
Eh?
I want to tell you something.
Yeah, I'm hearing you, bro.
So, because you played and you've been entertaining, I may come on the live and drop something, like unannounced.
Oh, maybe?
Soon. I won't tell you when.
I think I should correct that I'm saying.
What should I correct
What
it
do you mean about maybe?
to? Soon.
Come on, you need to come up with something now?
Listen me up, Mr. M. You cannot do that to Junior. You have to put something.
Listen me out, start by me. Him really don't know who me be.
He not know.
Tell use my sound and for pay me?
Yes.
You think you can have me right here so for play a game and don't want to pays me?
What would you like, Junior?
Huh?
What would you like?
Universe, that's all I like.
Be realistic.
I wanna be a billionaire, so flicking bad. By all of
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I run through that one, my people. We don't talk much, so we could get back in it.
the things I never had. Start by Mish.
Where the freaking come from?
No, like this is just me though, honestly. No, but anything where you do, man. We're good
Yeah, man, I'll come into your live
up,
and
man. Anything where you put.
I'll come into your live and I'll drop something in your live.
I respect.
But you have to follow me back.
Start by me. So who come up with this though? Yarn him or you? Or
No,
you?
him. We play him.
No, it's nice though, honestly.
That's it. You must give it to the east to the American.
Yeah. It makes sense. I look at
No, you understand. No, you understand the flow. I will do it again.
No, definitely, but not today.
No, not today, but you have to do it again.
Junior,
Manners.
can you follow me back, please? Big up, my bro.
Just press the plus button, Junior.
No, I did it already.
No, I you said that today. That couldn't go.
Yeah, can you take back your follow?
Start by me. You know you come to Jamaica whenever time, okay? You feel like the two of us should have like either come together and like do it, but you always support me. I'ma feel like you support me like a lot, baby. You can just like carry something where you know you have between your legs. Come to me whenever time you come to Jamaica, baby. No, I really think that would be the best. Okay? Mr. M.
Yo.
Honestly, you know me love big. I know me no see lion, my friend. Put where you put now Mr. M or Ben or Len. Chat, come chat, shoot. Yo, I'm play one match now, no? Oh, we are waiting for where I put first.
I'm live. How can I put something now?
Hey, stay by me, looking at me eye. We are fuck tonight. At 31 in a your 35. When you see me on the road, dog giggle. Not true, you see me on the live with style by me. Me a fuck her, make her breast them cripple. I never triple.
Junior!
At 31 in a your 35. Looking at me eyes. We are fuck tonight. Candlelight. Shot, power taps. Slap up your body, me love, hearing eyes.
Junior!
31 in a your 35. Shot, power taps.
Junior!
Love you, baby. That's all me can say when it come on to you. I mean that. I love you, baby. I want like meet you for squeeze you and just like make you feel how much I feel, boy. You hear that? I love you. I respect you, baby.
We love you, to Junior. When is this song dropping, Junior? That's everybody for the song.
Really and truly, the song I got drop, baby. Come on now. I mean like a whole lot. Cause I know the people them whenever time it drop, them I go like go subscribe and like. So true, I know these things. I know something where me a rush about. Come on now, start by me. I got this. Yeah, but
So
two parts are released.
So who's in the real lyrics? Me or Triple?
Honestly, it would be you because it's you on my phone screen just now. Chat, power taps. Yo, Jano, Mr. M.
Yo.
I know, my friend.
Listen in the live, Junior.
No, that's not what you think.
Hey, Kiki, know where you do, yeah?
I never say nothing. I just say me have something for your magic touch.
Magic touch?
Yes.
So what go? We not can go purple touch?
No.
Alright my people, so make watch some more cause you know say anything where this a youth a TikTok boss in a half drama and then Kiki again on the other hand is a next drama, so make watch and hear what them go along with my people, so make we get back to it.
Me have a man that can't flirt with me.
GX not fit here though, me no know if you no just like go out on a date. Me a tell you baby. Him and him no. You see true
laugh. What?
Yeah, and GX no, me and your would make a perfect match.
No, you're right.
Shoot. Yeah, use the gloves.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Shot, shoot.
Come on, guys. Shoot them.
My side, use the gloves now.
Shoot.
Money gun galaxy.
Guys, shoot.
Shot, come on, chat. We just win the first match. We win the second one, chat. Use the gloves. Chat, help out Melanina. Chat, come on, run them down, gun them down. Walk up on them, chat. Chat, walk up.
Starlink. Cause you go connecting on me like Starlink. Not even Wi-Fi, cause Wi-Fi drop. Double try.
Yeah, how it go? Yeah, how it go?
Guys, no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Matt, do you know?
Oh, guys, double. Me no man connect to me like Wi-Fi. I want a man connect to me like Starlink. When hurricane pass, I'm still there. But when storm thank you, babes. See the babes are connected with me like Starlink. Yeah, babes, connect with me like a Starlink. Thanks. One GX funny one.
So dig up yourself.
One babes funny half.
Power tap same way my team. This is like we can give them a 6. Cruella, Wingy badness, never forget. Dig up yourself, okay, nice lady. The moment you clock in, remember you're not the worst lady, first lady.
6 bars.
Chat, power taps.
Hey.
Kiki.
Oh, you look like
nobody gone away. Everything good. Hold on there. Where you say happen?
Oh, you look thick so.
Oh, me look thick so?
Yeah. It must
No,
be my
honestly,
face
baby,
look
this
thick.
coming like you just a talk, so. No, honestly, in a real life, yeah, me's a manga guy. Me just look thick like over iPhone.
For us guys, and most of them look
You
thick
like
though.
thick guys?
Yes.
Oh, for real?
But
No,
not
I
you
guess like
though.
me not gonna help you. Chat
Triple guys,
short,
triple guys,
One
please
cheese.
help. Oh God.
soft like cheese pasta.
Guys, it's triple guys.
Soft
oh
like
God.
cheese pasta.
Triple guys. Guys, triple guys.
Alright,
1.2
me no.
people.
We that dog bumbo pussy blood rascal.
Yes.
Jano Kiki.
Baby.
Always have you as a female we just slim and neat. Never know say you mount big. Mount big bro.
Baby.
Yeah, mute her.
Angle.
No, me not mute her. Watch what I go on. Me need you for shoot her. Chat shoot.
Babes, me I wash it clothes them. So later clean sheet. I see wife and mate and mate. And girl and encouragement they put in up. I see them.
Me notice me I see sheet and everything in the pail. Me no see no
Yes,
look
that's why you
jars.
have to
Where you
work.
want them to pile up on you? Or you wash them first?
Are them things a man likes to
And you wash the jars them already, Kiki?
No, see them here.
Which part them there? Jesus Christ.
They in a max aftermath.
See, I look slim as I say your panty arm size big.
Me a
Come
bun
like
out to
you
them.
too chat short. Chat short. Chat short, me tell you.
I think they can shoot, guys. I think they can shoot.
Chat gloves.
Mr.
Melanie.
Lion, listen, Mr. Lion, send us your feet and block.
Melanie, we get gloves. Chat, nobody not get no gloves. Chat, no gloves. Bumbleclaw.
Junior face red like when you read it about rolling car. You ever hear about rolling car yet, Junior?
Kiki, come on now, stop. Chat, shoot. Stop.
Guys, snipe them a
Chat,
come.
shoot. Surprise her, chat. Surprise her. Surprise her. Voila. Ah! Your pussy, Bumbleclaw, you get where by your hint. Any side you sleep on last night, sleep back there.
Oh God.
You're lucky you
You come here late, thanks, babes.
You're lucky you
Everybody.
Chat, everybody, big up on yourself. Chat, big up.
Yes.
Wicked man Chris.
Oh, me not cuss who the snipe for you.
From them try this.
No, me no win. I
Chat,
win.
power attack. Them a get this me.
Ratted. Me didn't realize me team me lose. Oh my God. Oh God, thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God, I thought I lost. I thought I never realized.
Chat, power attack.
I swear.
My people, you know say me a sight a little pattern like, you know what I mean, when it come to the lion man, because I want the lion man boss Annie, you know, and then him come back around, you know, and him boss Kiki. You see me I say, me a sight a little thing about him, come like 1-1, him a boss some people, but more know what the motive, cause Jamaican not really boss people like that, you know. You see me I say them have to have some kind of motive. So tell me what you think in the comment. Make you watch some more.
Oh, me
Chat,
nice
power
girl.
attack.
Yes,
She
I love.
slow you fuck. I lie, she a tell. She must see say she
I
win.
no, me never
Serious, big
say.
up. Serious, big up.
You win. Thank
Alright,
you,
Melanie,
oh my
thank
God.
you very much. Chat, can you put the number one gift
Alright, guys, the next game.
Chat, everybody we are top up the screen, big up on yourself.
Then me could have stressed over
Who she sound like? Me no know. Tell me now.
You know, me think me swear I him win. Me not tell no like for my fool. Yeah, them. Mastermind, guys. JX, thank you, JX. Me, you see the woman here. She me like her.
I'm Kiki.
Oi,
Which GX?
Rick JX, the one from Seaview.
Wow. GX. You's a wicked man.
You
I
talk
never
too
see you
much.
support Rosealee so yet.
Oh, you know that.
No, I'm watch Rosealee stream and I
Him
never
not
see
have
a
to give.
gift pop
Him
up
don't have
like
to
Red
give
Hot
gift.
and
Him give her
GX
money.
yet.
5 rows, everybody, please. She get money in her hand. She get the money, me get the gift them. Why difference? What's the difference?
Wow. I like that.
Okay.
I like that.
I love man more than.
So I no gift devil.
Guys,
I want no money able.
Guys, everybody, triple guys. You want like come on, guys. Galaxy, everybody. Guys, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Use the triple, guys. Come on. When me team 1.4K we guys. Come. Melanie, beg you something, please. Come on, guys. Come on. Thank you, Barbie. Oh, again.
Drake's have a nice time. And a look special where you can look 1-2 cigar. And that alone make Drake's happy.
Thank you.
Oh, Drake's happy run me naturally. Drop gloves, pan 30. Who have gloves? Drop gloves now.
Girl, at NSC we did that drink. You want me show you?
It no matter where you did that drink, him just glad for the little drink.
Cognac.
Use the gloves, him just happy for the little drink. I'm love
rum. What gloves, guys?
Use the gloves, use the gloves. Guys, I want gloves we have. If we have a next one, we are gonna need it 30 seconds. Everybody said that Galaxy should get 20,000. Use the gloves and catch up. No rules for the gloves, team. Everybody use the gloves quick. But not even get a donut from the gloves to push up the square. Bumbo.
I want Miss Drake's panny ham.
Watch out. The gloves done.
Guys, press it 2 times 2s. Make them show his wife, and mate, and mate. Let me play the song, yeah. Guys, press it times 2 and shoot, please.
People then waste the gloves.
Come on, get up on screen with me. Drake's blush right through. He's
my before use all that makes sense.
Since me take up Drake's look like Tyrese. You know what I'm saying? Look like Tyrese.
Let him come back to me on screen. Cute. My money are for mine ice. Your money are for mine Drake's, and then Drake's come give it out to me.
When
you fix it up and they must stop flow.
You're not
come for my life today. Come.
You're not clap. Guys, drop
use the gloves.
My man look like Tyrese, the American singer. You know, see
use the gloves. In tank, you use the gloves.
Guys, snipe, guys,
we have gloves and a lose.
Snipe, guys, snipe.
Oh, we have gloves and a lose. Galaxy and we can't believe this.
Come on.
It's funny, can really drop gloves and miss us lose the match.
Nah, boom. Whoa.
I will still lose the match. Moderator, do what you're supposed to do.
Oh, wife, girl.
My wife, me not ask you nothing.
Bye.
Bye, go on until later.
No, bye. Yeah. I learned from the last time when I gift us if you go on, win and go on. One done wife. One wife pan the black. I one wife. All I want to see my man and want run in him. We not talk about nails. Remember say my man tell me say my camera go do nails and I say babes, me not ready yet. We not hype up with nails. Wait till Drake's camera down a jet tour. I'ma push out the fat jet tour, the black one. Yeah. Play the song Wife or Wife. Me and see that. When I there with Jake's look black and stubborn. Jake's start changing the orange dress, trim. Wife or song Wife here. And me tea. Remember say he never put me one side in a public. Remember one bad girl pan happy, you know. Remember say me walk past the bullfrog a see view, you know, and take the man didn't know say me a come. The man not even didn't know. The man didn't even know me know where you live. I come for him. And easy. I did it easy. I do it and make you all on kill up on yourself. Because from me take Jake's a beer headache, a beer pill on take beer pill. See Froggy blocked me yesterday for no reason. Because I got gym and I try motivate her and I said, Rose, your life, you know, got gym. You ever remember the time that before TikTok did why word? Exist, yeah. You remember when Facebook did run things and you used to watch the documentary them with the white woman them with how much power. My dear. Oh no, but oh no thing.
Alright, my people. So tell me what you think in the community. Just I'm gonna say community in the comment section. So Mama Rich, you know what I mean? I express them type of feelings, yeah, and you know what I mean, I thought them type of things, yeah, and then end up unfollow Jakes. So make we get in the part there when we left you where we there some people.
Jakes one, but to bar. Me ask you know the crowd. Who have a better chemistry with let me tell you, man a man. Men will be man. Let me tell you, Jakes love me and he enjoy Vani. He enjoy Vani. Me now go tell no lie no. He enjoy Vani, but he no have the chemistry there. Play a match meanwhile. Yeah, me look somebody play with. Hold on there. Who can play with? See some boy, yeah. Jakes, see Vani is the girl with Jakes would have fun with. But him a go come home to his wife, me, infatuation. So Vani dance, nice up with my man, cause man like them things. But NID out there right here, so I'm me. Look on Jakes and Jakes up on Vani live in smile. The match and when them did name what them name, I saw them treat me go suck your my boy. I think my name go bust one day. Me know
Mama Rich, stop follow me, son. Team. Mama Rich, unfollow me now. Yep. When I see her in my co-hosting list, what is this now? When I see them co-hosting list, when I see her in my friends list, yeah, my daughter the boss, not real life. No. Yeah, co-hosting list, when I say other co-host, the people who play a match with, when I see another list there. What do you mean by a co-hosting list? I can fuck with me and chat. That's something I hear so one time. It's like a Tia now. If Tia is there live, when I see her right there, so. When I see her right there, so. I say Paris episode for everybody with me and my friend on TikTok. When I see them, so. So, Mama Rich, and follow me. Okay. Well, accept her now, though. Unfollow me.
This morning and not answer.
You unfollow me.
Eh?
You unfollow me.
No.
You just follow me back a while ago.
No. Why when I call your phone this morning and not answer?
Yeah, 1,000 for me, please.
You always go like you not hear me, you know. Hello? You not see me that call her this morning?
No, I want to come back, Mr. Miss Carly. But me want to add you a while ago, I'm going to say like this.
Because I was playing a match.
Marlon Ashley, eh?
Me did play a match.
No, me don't see that too.
Me not unfollow him. I'm if you unfollow him.
Me just see you now.
So where you go? That's
just see you now.
That's yes, you try come with some excuse because you know so me I go come at you and a man your name. Where the phone did there? Triple threat. Him know say to me go ask him about that him a use style.
What?
A style that they use for me through you know what go on.
See you live, yes.
And?
But when you call me, never you look on a live.
So where phone did they?
My phone there, I just search her. See if somebody else search.
So me hear voice note for you with woman about this. So me hear voice note with you.
Huh?
So me hear voice note, your voice note I have about this and that and date and everything.
Where you messing the voice note? Say it again.
You don't know a voice note where you send Vani.
Yeah, let's say.
But babes come live and this and that and I talk to her nice.
So much about her up.
Oh, so it is okay to call her babes.
Not really said okay. Some of you call other man babes so when you play match with them.
I mean woman gifters.
I'll shoot me here call babes.
No, I'm a woman gifters. So I shoot at that.
How are the blood clot this? Kiki.
Guys, everybody send a rose, 7 roses.
Say, okay, if you call and shoot at them babes, but you can't call other rankers babes.
No.
Like
we leave it at, why I can never leave it at TikTok?
Huh?
Why I can never leave it at TikTok? If you don't want me, you just can't tell me say you don't want me, you know, I'm go about my business, you know, because I don't want nobody come take me for no idiot. Triple chat.
Me have, you know, say, I have almost everybody who play a match with number.
Triple guys.
Me have Vani number, me have your number, me have Cutline number, me have Blam them number.
Triple chat. Guys, use the triple guys. Use the triple guys.
Use the triple team.
Guys, remember, say with the rank, please.
Team, use the triple.
So which part me coming? How am I doing in your life? I that me you want to know.
What?
Which part me doing in your life?
Jesus, God Almighty. No, sir. See you to pussy cry.
Triple guys, triple. Don't me doing in your life. Give me my position. You can't answer.
Kiki.
Kiki. Yes. Oh, so yeah, do things. I know I'm not the. So me I'm the only one.
No, listen, no.
Yes.
This is something where I find it go on with this man with a screen recorder. Let me see. You need to calm down.
What? Me ask you, say what me doing in your life.
But listen, we never asked me that before. So I can know you want to ask me that when I Ivan now we come tempo, which will be my position. What is for yourself?
You see, no man, I'm gonna drink some water. Hold on, there.
So I joke this now, bro. Oh, we don't get that. You never used to ask about position every time, so we don't understand this. But you Ivan in a wife and mate argument with yo, that was that.
So how for feelings you try for.
Alright, my people, I want you to tell me what you think in the comment section. And to all of the women them, let me tell you, this cannot be real still, you know. But I guess, you know what I mean, it kind of accurate most of the time. You see, if you know the next woman, what the man have, you are not the wife. You see me, I say, like him now, I the next woman from you. You know, say you're not your wife, or next woman your wife. Because she don't know about you. You see me? If you don't know about each other, the two are your wife. You see me, I say? So, I know what to think with people. Make a watch some more.
Protect.
Huh?
So, for feelings you try to protect, that me not understand.
Kiki. Before that vibes and play so much. I mean,
No.
They are 2.3K.
No.
That cause a fuck you though. And you only start give me gift my answer. Anytime we start send some gift, we start answer. See them here, them little say no say. We been smoking. So snap this chat. Shens, that Mr. Shens.
Demolish, Miss Tish, English, Miss Queen, and all I tappers them, and all I haters them. Thanks everybody. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, when they come talk about Jakes answer the people and Shens I come talk about what? Like say, that Shens. If I'm not getting anything, I will not be answering the questions here.
This much egg mobile, daddy. This much egg mobile.
Guys, do you think we can go #1 in a popular live?
The 6.
7.
Alright.
Guys, with the number 8 in a popular live, I think we can go #1, guys. Double, guys, double, guys, double. Guys, first double, guys. First double, guys. Thank you, Miss Tish. I want everybody for my live, though. Everybody what they hear, so we are trying to go in a #1 for the daily live. So I mean, everybody,
first
guys.
gift, double chat.
Guys, 1.8 are over here. So guys, everybody send me an art me. Everybody send an art me, guys. Send an art me, guys. Join my live, guys. Don't join my live, please. That I just want to know the right now. Everybody join my live, please, guys. Join. You see like that what the panjaks and that
cool.
Thank you. NW guys, everybody join the team, guys. Just run the section the till the triple star. Join the team, please. Thanks everybody. Thank you for your support. Join my team. Thanks everybody. Join the team, guys. Thanks. Join the team, guys. Join my team. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Just join the team. Only if you can. And complete to the task them.
I appreciate all that.
And complete to the task them, guys. Complete to the task them, please.
But chat, when I like to go up on the ranking, I'm not going to go up on the ranking.
Thanks everybody. Thanks. You just press with flowers. Several use the art me them guys and catch thanks everybody.
Now go back on it. You know what I'm going to say to the power and take or give grandma a uniform champions. You don't want
triple chat. Triple, oh, you look so GX today. You look tired.
Chat, triple.
Triple guys, use the triple guys.
Mr. Kiki.
You look tired. You alright, bybz?
I'm good, man.
I don't want to stress saying, I just want to make sure you're alright. So me like when I smile. Give me a smile now. You not give me no smile from morning.
Kiki, right now I can't smile. You're alone and win, brother.
So you can't smile same way? Actually, didn't fake smile.
Chat, triple. Give me something for smile.
Use the triple. Guys, use the triple, guys. Guys, use the triple.
That ends.
Guys, use the triple. Thank you, maintain, guys. Use the triple. Guys, they might come ratty. They might come triple chat, triple. Triple chat, triple. Triple, guys, triple. Guys, we reach numbers. We did their number 8. We did their number 7 here now. Guys, continue join, guys.
Team, I don't know number now. We are tired in the chat.
We have 130.
I don't know number now. We are tired.
Guys, more on no join, guys.
Share too cool.
Guys, come on, guys.
Share too cool. Share too cool. Anything where you put it double.
Guys, tonight, right,
anything you put it double.
Guys, go on the ranking and tell me number how much with the team warriors. Number how much with the penny. Come on, guys. Guys, snipe. Number 2. Good. We are do good, not 2.
I say Jakes, my name, not James. Please, Jakes. Jakes. Jakes.
Number 2. Come on, guys. Come on, Miss Tish. Come on, guys. Miss Tish, you have a money gun. Set one live goal, guys.
I can't see at me.
Let me see what in my gift gallery. Guys, you know show.
Everybody put that at me. I appreciate all everybody put at me.
Guys, more fireworks, guys. You fulfill the road, please. Guys, beg you want fireworks, please. Who can send more fireworks, please, guys? Who can snipe more fireworks? to fill out that the gift gallery. I'm supposed to get 3, but I already got 2. That means I need 1 more. Can I have 1, please, guys?
So the gift gallery ever full out now, ma'am?
Me know. Come on, guys. Ross, guys, you know shoot, guys. Guys, you dress them. Give me fireworks, guys.
Sugar mama.
Guys, you know snipe fireworks.
Sugar mama, thanks.
Come on, guys. Miss Tish, thank you, Miss Tish. Shoot again, guys.
Proud, ma'am.
Shoot again. Shoot.
Nah.
Thank you. Miss Tish, that's nothing else, baby. Thanks everybody. Miss Tish, Diamond, Demolish, Maintain Love.
Sugar mama.
Everybody, thanks everybody. Thanks everybody.
Thank you, straight too cool. Skylar. Mr. M's. Now come show them when I catch praise them while them evening, yeah. I just show. I'm not ready yet. I mean, I see what I go and I'm saying, I'm like, look up this thing on the brain teasing thing.
Come on, guys.
Right.
Press button up.
I'm going to work for my universe over your side. You understand?
Eh? What you just say?
No, not you. I'm saying me attack.
Oh. He have no energy for What you mean, man have no energy for me? In tired.
Listen, man. Stop reading the comments, my brother.
It's all the make you man get dark for me. Guys, use the double. So you make baby get ignorant for me. I mean, like, I'm crying.
First speed double.
Like that. Double, guys. Guys, don't know so enough about that man in our life because men don't like that. First double.
Speed double.
I'm going to get a Michelle before I get up. Come on, guys. Double, guys. Demolish, thank you. Watch Tyrese Gibson. You like me? Tyrese Gibson. The American, you look like Tyrese, not true. The American songwriter. Yeah, in favor of Tyrese. Look, our love make me blind. For true. Yes.
Might go through bills, me might go through problem. You know, according to man might fuck me, baby father might fuck me and don't want me again, but drunk or dog, let me tell you something, CDA never come for me pitney yet. The government has never ever came into my space and find me incapable or unfit as a mother. So no one can say nothing to me because you know big, dirty, workless and careless. So it is already obvious to the social media say no walking in my league, none at all. But I have to make the social media know the intricacy and the hypocrisy. Because social media only could have stay wherever on the end of the world, whether they are Belgium, France, German, Italy, Canada, Cayman, Jamaica, US, no matter where. You could have sat down where you are and heard that I was unalived. You could have sat down where you are and heard that I was raped. You could have sat down where you are and heard that I'm no longer I have transitioned due to overdose, whatever it is. Because my guys, what did they have planned for me? If you know say you don't like me spicy, you know say Diamond don't like me, why were you inviting me out? Why were you so pressed? And a 1 time you call me, and a 2 time you call me, and a 3 time you call me, pressing me to go out. Don't bumbleclad tell me if you stop drunk or go up on your page. If you don't like it, go over the people them page, dog shit. Don't tell me if you fucking stop on my life and on my mouth. When you suck the big old thinking with them or bust out your track here, me not tell if you stop, dog shit. Don't come over here so come tell me if you fucking stop. It's me go nasty to someone. My thing is, if you know say you don't like me, why are you inviting me out? You know, sister, them are wicked guys. Them are invite me out because them they want to spike me drink and grape me and video it and video me and suck them wood so them can bring me down and silence me in a social media. You guys wanted me and only to be the same thing, for have business over mountain, drunk, me no careless, me no licky, no can bumbleclad catch me like anti-fall, cause me no fall. Me no say quack, 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 quack. Me is not a blood clot fall, you no can't catch me like anti-fall. I set on the one set me up. I want to recognize and take this serious. I saw no see bomber clock Naya dead in front town. I saw no see 41 busted dead. I saw no see people dead in front town have a blood clot day because you know now wise up. These are the same type of wickedness. People are wicked on social media. Then we set up your life. They will set up your life for the least of things because I want to answer me, you know, guys. All I want to see what go on. Tell me. Until now, I want Diamond open a big stinking orange mouth. Tell me what me do you? Why you hate me so? What me do you? Why you sat down with Spicy and tell him over and over that you don't like me? Remember me never thief your money. Remember you never pay me lawyer fee. Remember now me make your shit in a bucket. Remember now me tell foota hype and lock it for fuck you. And then I have argument over your crutches where you careless with your walk and give you like Wi-Fi. You understand what I'm saying? Remember say me no know you from out I cannot paint bitch, me don't know you. Me and you might never meet a pass yet. Me and you never hold hand and skip and go primary school. We never sit down together and read. Get up, Pam, get up, you're a big girl, get up. We never sit down and read about your blood clot friend, the fat girl and the fucking mango. So me want to know what the blood clot you hate me so far. The people them what do the wickedest things them in the world, Diamond. Me see up on screen record with Willie and Willie name you out and bring you down to the dogs and make social media look at you like a carelessness. It wasn't me. So if you can forgive him and you depend like, what is it that me do you more you come tell social media dog shit? What me do you? When you sit down and I tell Spicy say a long time, me tell her all the time, so me not like the woman there. And she do it passionately. Me tell her all the time, me not like the woman there. Why you don't like me for? That me want to know. What have I done to you that you don't like me that much? Why you so passionate about hating me? But me want to understand, guys. If somebody can sit down and come tell me all the while, say them hate you, what you think me do? How you think me feel about you? If I am a welcome mat where another person can comfortable repeatedly because all the time means plural, means more than one, means several. How are you doing, darling? Good night to all of those who are saying hi to me. Good night, Prissa. Good night, Eri. How are you? You understand? Dulcie says she's secretly in love with me. No, but that is not love. That is hate. I want to understand, guys. I want Diamond to explain to social media what is it that you hate me for. Because you say it's not this incident. You say you always hated me. You say you always tell Spicy how much you hate, how much you don't like me. I not like the woman there. My spirit not take the woman and me tell her all the way I not like her. So while you sit down of all the things them in the world to talk about, you could have talked about your big stinking crutches. You understand what I'm saying? You could have talked about your big dirty stinking crutches. You feel me? But you never talk about that. You could have talked about the fact that Spicy don't know which fucking pronoun he need to identify with. If him is him, they, she, whatever. Him don't know what the fuck him is and after hide him ugly blood clot self. You could have talked about that, but no, you didn't talk about that. Only never sit down and congregate about that. Only never sit down and congregate about the scam on and scam on blood clot social media thief. Wait till the attackers come. Wait till the coffee when the mug cancel on the coffee, but that's right. Wait till blood clot when the shit hit the feeling. I'll be here for it when the shit hit the ceiling. I'll be blood clot here for it. What is it that you don't like me so far? What is it that me do you, bitch, what you don't like me about? What is it that me do you? I want to see where me have to come from, audience. What is it that me do you, drunko, where you don't like me? And that I want to know. You don't like me. I not say people can't not like me, guys, because I don't care. Because whether or not Diamond like me, my life is going to continue. My life continued before she met me on social media. You feel what I'm saying? I have not met her in real life. The only interaction I had with her was the one time over by Blinger when Blinger asked me to be her lawyer. You feel what I'm saying? So it's not like me and this girl have no friendship. I come from nowhere. You feel what I'm saying? So it's neither here nor there. But my thing is, what have I done to you? Why you don't come and tell social media what I do to you why you don't like me? Come and tell social media. You sit down passionately and you sit down and you chat me with Batman Spicy, who is a fucking man, but I try to behave like he's not a fucking man. Because you want to be a woman, Spicy. That is why you create this thing. You create this thing with me and Diamond, because you do it. But on the platform, guys, listen to me, try with up on the platform. If Diamond come up, now somebody have to add her, tell me if me slow chat. If the three of us step on the platform, and me other is not upper other, is him other, because she couldn't just come up by herself like that. She had to send a request, or him other, one of the two, right? Him other and him realized that me and she went haywire. If you are a man and you love Diamond because of your friend and you respect me, right? If you as a man...
Hey, my people, I want thing with a woman here, you know. You rank like piss, you know. Yeah, man, him with this, you know, man. And in the wickedest way. You see me, I say, but my people, me hear she say, boy, why Diamond like her and Diamond talk back to Willie and Ray. Me tell you something if you never know this. You see, when it come to friend and friend, if them break apart cause each other, you know what I mean, it's a possibility down the line them we deal back because them a friend and maybe them have mutual friends where a person we just say, yo, why you don't talk? Ray, yo, what if you deal, man? A simple thing that and you will find them deal back. It's easier for two friends where was friends before get back, you know what I mean, turn back friends or whatever, more than an enemy and a person where more than two enemies for deal. You see what I say? If all you meet that person is as an enemy, you don't have to deal because you know, you understand what I mean. So yeah, let me know what you think, make watch some more.
Love Diamond, but respect me. That means that you have a positive attitude towards the two of us, don't it, chat? So why you as a big stinking man would have encouraged to carry on? Why would you have added her a second time for both of us to disrespect each other? You know what is the simple answer? Because you're a batty man that ate woman. And what is very ironic though, Diamond, is that you are calling me a batty man and you're discriminating against me for eating pussy, but yet still you're with all of the batty man them. All of the batty man them pan the upper your close friend. Spicy is a batty man. So how are you going to lick out against me and you're not licking out against Spicy? Spicy is a batty man. Matter of fact, I obey the Lord. I have a daughter. Jazan? Yes, ma'am. That's my daughter. That's answer. Where is Spicy's daughter? Where is Spicy's child? Spicy don't obey the Lord all now and multiply the earth. Neither you. Two are no a mule. Both you and Bumbleclad Spicy is a mule. You can't chat to me. Both you and Bloodclad Spicy is a mule. You don't have a hole what good and in batty hole no good either. None out of the two and a hole can fertilize and grow a child. So what the fuck can I go in a talkings with me for? Do not call me Spicy. You's a batty man. I realize he's a mix up batty man. I block you from social media. Unfollow you, I leave you. What the fuck you calling me for? Don't call me. I don't want you to call me. I don't like you. Stop calling me. I have nothing at all to say to you. I don't have anything at all that I want to hear from you. You know why you're calling me? You're hoping that you can settle privately after embarrassing me publicly or trying to embarrass me publicly because you still want to come and use me. No, you're not going to use me. Any competition you have, go and make Rose and Diamond call out the words. Make the blood clot girl what dunce, what I talk about Willie learn me, make sure you call out the bomber clot words. You fucker you. You never, no, you want to use me brilliance. You want to have me in your back pocket Spicy. So whenever you want me to do things, you use my brilliance. Because everybody knows that Zandra my brilliant. Zandra I know for call upon the people that want to pull energy together. Pussy. And then I go use me pan blood clot. This go use out on the crutches on the body hole. Go rub it out like a mistake in a primary school picnic book. When you move on a thinking dirty self, no, use my brilliance. Since you're not fucking smart, if you try to use on the head against me, I know so you have ulterior motive and not hate me. Use on a blood clot head for something right. When you now go use my brilliance pan this dog shit. When you now use me. When a dirty piece of shit yo. No man. When you do what? Remember you know guys, we tell them I now go apple fish fry. Me tell the junk up, me now go apple fish fry. And it's the same reason that I didn't go apple fish fry. It had nothing to do with apple. It have everything else to do with who me know possibly I go come. Guys, them things I'm slow, you know. All them mind things I'm slow. Them things that you me come and me go on simple. And guys, me not think you understand me. Listen how me stay. I will know that you are using me. I will know that you don't like me. And I make you use me. You know why? I'm the type of person that will get you comfortable just to see what the fuck you're about. I am the type of Jesus or sit down and name with Judas until the appointed time. Then I just dash the 30 pieces for you and make you go hang your blood clot self a Golgotha. You never know, sir, some stay. Yes, man, me no ram for feed my enemies them. Me no ram for do good to those who I know despitefully hate me. Me can't know say hate me like a dose of poison. Only no bomber clot, no Capricorn. Look at vybz kartel now. Jamaica hated vybz kartel. And what the vybz kartel do now, turn on a blood clot, feed you know. He's a Capricorn, a suck Capricorn stay. Only no know how Capricorn stay now. Yes, me a Capricorn, born December 28, ruling a blood clot January. I saw we stay. The people them want Capricorn, rep now and tell the pussy them say I saw we stay. I saw it turn. Me can't know say me got blood clot clear, you know in a bitch. Me left it in my mind, you know, me smile with you and me still deal with you because me know say you don't like me and me say how far you go. So if you think say you are a hypocrite, you need for me bomber clot me because me know say you never like me, but me deal with you in the same way. Me know you never like me, but me deal with you in the same way because that's how me keep my enemy them under my foot, me killing them with kindness, dog shit. That's how me stay. Me no run for killing them with kindness, dog shit. Me will smile with you and laugh with you and interact with you spicy. I never tell you a secret yet. Every time I talk to you upon the phone, me bear in mind say you'll have somebody else on the next line or someday record me. Me not trust you yet, pussy. Me not tell you no secret dog shit. Me not tell nobody no blood clot secret what can't come out. Only no have nothing at all can talk about me more than me owe me bills them. Tell me a fucker that doesn't. Tell me somebody what don't owe them bill, I will wait. Cause that's why I'm out upon the app every day, dog shit, I beg. That's why I'm out I beg every day, cause you don't have bills.
See there, Diamond Attitude, also known as Diamond, a dancer, an internet personality, known for creating the dirty wine dance. For her loud personality, you know some of the words I'm not coming can't pronounce them coming out. Me not bright. I'm read it out. Me not bright. I'm break it down in syllables. I'm break it down into syllables. Popular platform like TikTok. I'm break them down in syllables. Yeah.
You don't have to say no more, mama.
You don't know nothing about me, girl. You can't ask who is Anjana. You can't ask who is Anjana. Go ask Google who is Diamond blood clot attitude. I get a whole paragraph. You can't read better than me. Break me every break down in that syllabus. The words say big. Where? Blood clot, girl. Me no want bright. Where subject I put with. Subject now put with nowhere. A streetwise I work now. Streetwise. Chuck me can't tell the crow 1.9 blood clot K.
Come in, chat.
1.9K over here. I'm still there number 15. Back on the 2 wheel a good one. How a subject I put you? You have 52 subjects and you sit on the internet every day with the dance girl. I fight for the dance girl give you a clout. Eh? You want to teach us a dance girl? Me not me streetwise. You say anything I don't know Zanjan and I say Google. But I go so Google, can you spell Lando? And Google spell that, give me blood clot. I'ma write it down. Why? I'm modern time now. Anything when you have blood clot on your phone tell you. On your computer. Nobody now work with subject again. Me not no subject. All the subject me have my man name me out. And cook and dance. And sell clothes. A 3 subject me have. Miss what subject me have? 3. Man, miss what subject me have? Man name me out. A 1. Cooking a 2, dancing a 3, and vending a 4. A 4 subject me have. Chat use a double ya. 4 subject me have.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. And you don't follow them. I say you have subject and another time subject. You see, nowadays that I'm back in the days at 2 different times. You see, now you have to equip yourself with subject. You see me, I say you have to. You know what I mean? Because it's a new era, you know, and the time I change rapidly. More things are, you know what I mean, when I say develop and them with it, it's a technology time. So the least subject you have to have and the ones them where you have to have for barely go through in a life is math, English, information technology. Them 3 subjects there is a must nowadays. You see me I say? Because this is where the world are head to. You have to have IT. You have to have that. You see me? And you don't know say maths and English are 2 subjects. No matter what you do, you have to have them. Because if you don't have one and you have a bag of more subjects, you have to go look them. You see me? Them they are the 2 basic. And we have IT and also. Make me know what to think my people. Make me watch some more.
Come in, chat. We use up the times to chat. D4 and big up enough.
And that me they say, girl with too much subject can I beg out at Times Square. All the people might give me beer. John a wall of the plate here.
Zancha can't talk to you. Zancha have subject and out at Times Square. She's down and beg. She can't talk to you. When you're not request the last, she will start beg out at Times Square. Because with that girl with so much subject, should not beg out at Times Square.
Move your Times Square, beggy blood clot. You're secret for me.
Damn, what a good thing I give your number for hear that, eh?
Me dear.
Jesus.
Somebody randomly just rest something for me. The girl them have files, you know. The girl them have her files. But me don't really want to follow up she, you know. Because it's a boss the girl I look. And I'm saying, you know, my mouth, you know, is a mouth, you know, when lift up every iron balloon, you know. So me don't really want to lift them up a blood clot. Because each time them dead, my mouth take them out of dead list.
Yeah, so what you know, no focus on the begging.
Focus on the begging, me leave her.
Come in, chat.
No have time for the iron balloon busting business. Chat with your number 4. What kind of little bit of arm something this a chat? Number 14, chat focus now. Give me 3 wheel there.
What's up, chat? Remember say beg button press the Jesus Christ here is the reach late, you know.
Anybody there can beg your wheel? Any good one 1.7K over here, so. Be a girl stiff for me like a cocky in the morning.
Here is your boy you reach late. You probably catch it still, but when you reach late.
Lando, me did I say boy, when I time me I say me should have done a me yard. Cause me did done a me yard, me would lose me shop. See? But Lando, me look into it, you know. You know, so every time Stammer come, me go park me car catching us. Every time Stammer come, me carry down on the rasta. Cause too many back country, if I treat them there, me always think catching us safer.
See that go there, dog, same thing, fuck.
For me, him block me, me I try call him, come here, say around the floor, so me know say he must fuck up. What fuck up for him, Lando?
You see, me say, yo, where the pan I say, dog, next thing they try, progressive lesson.
Me I try to call him in a Lando, cause all on the floor, me I say he must fuck, me I try to call him.
So I go on a good, that's a dog, everything fuck up.
Yeah, because run away him live, the me say the water did high.
Yeah,
I must say him flat. But when he love black me Lando, all me I try call him, me can't get him. Like he restrict call me number.
That's everything fuck up, man.
Me I go try call him for my sister. Me should never call him for your phone, can we block your you know?
Brother, catch now, I say I can't panic, I say catch now, panic, top right, face.
Lando, when I lose my car, cause every time Stammer come to me think down the safe, cause to where me live, me always carry my car go park down there. So you see, everything is about right. At least, when we can't circle about the clothes, but the car go on if you buy.
Aye.
Lando, me must say me can't buy about the clothes, them little, you know, but the car a piece of dog. No mission.
They leave no request, request, fuck up, dog, man. The pass over the father, man, and I tell us the money. And I tell you that child, and I catch now, everywhere have mud. Everybody have to put out everything, set everything, fuck up, everything.
Lando, you still have in number, you can't tell him you unblock me. Because bad to bad, when me not my problem, let me end me up. Me can't get him, because he restrict me, can't. When me call him for black number, the card still not go through.
Because his signal, I must say signal still not active.
All different from the signal, so him like to block me. I want to get him in a Lando. You know it's a boy, bad to bad Lando. He not left me a room
Answer.
The first thing for me about catching all, probably over my sister. Remember saying sister them? Might be up my sister them must stay, you know.
Boy, son, get wicked, yeah.
All me I go do, when me go down, me have to go look if me see him over there, cause me now get him phone and me not get a line. And me I tell my sister say, boy, me want to call the Rasta car. Me know I think they must fuck up, brother.
Yo, I saw my cousin in CJ. Right now, you dog fuck up over there, you know, man. Dog, my rascal, I want you dog go buy a new car and smash the fuck up. Every time you over cash now. And if you really for cash now, you just buy one car, you go in brakes and park, you know, fuck up. Me I tell you.
I'm not bother. 2 days now, I write 2 paragraphs and delete them back. I'm not send it to you now. But I write 2 paragraphs, 2 days now and just delete it back, you know? It's like, I don't know what happened to me, bro. Something wrong with me, you know? Something wrong with me. Something wrong with me, dog. Something wrong with me. But regular, I take up the phone for call and I'm just not man enough to do it. I'm just not man enough to do it right now. You see, I know my name figure it out. I'm not gonna say, yo, you have to figure it out. But here we go, and you see another one here? My name is Jay. I don't figure it out in another one here. My name is Jay. You see me? My first thing this I can't figure out. So another one I chat. Hi, hello, my name is Jay. What's up? I swear to God, I can't. Rose, I think rosealee alone I forgot me right now.
Drunk crow, you live with woman 14 years and don't save 2,000 Jamaican dollar out of them 20. Like, you want to come about me? Jake, you really want to come about me? Look how long you have rosealee and milk her like a cow. And when you're rosealee left, when rosealee move her blood clot foot, you drop. No girl, no boy, no move them foot and Sky Diamond drop. When Cowie move her foot, Drake, remember you did drop, I will take you up, and me, Sky Diamond, take you up. Remember when rosealee move her blood clot foot, you drop. You could even buy food for eat. Remember when rosealee move her foot, Drake, you drop a TikTok, take you up and brush off you. Big up blood clot TikTok. So you have to come about me. And if no girl or no boy move, me not drop. Any boy move, me stand up firm. Any girl move, me stand up firm. But rosealee move her foot the other day, Drake, so you drop. You could even find 20 laugh to buy food. Drake, you need to start have some sense. You see, the money where you use by liquor, and the money where you use by food, and the money where you use by the bag of lion and the bag of gift them send pan the app, Drakes go buy a bed. You don't even need to have somewhere to put it. Go buy the bed leaning up around your mother. So when you don't have no bed, you don't have a fan, you don't have an AC, you don't have an AC remote, down to rosealee a beat you. Rosealee have an AC, rosealee have a bed and she have a dresser. Drakes, you don't have an AC, not to mention the remote. You don't have a bed, you don't have a dresser. What are you living for? What are you living for? Eh? What are you living for? Where you live for? Look how long you depend on the app. Look how long you depend on the blood clot app and the house scan done, eh? It's a boxia bill, it's not a mansion. It's just the truth, guys. A true Drakes I use the money buy food and NSC make the house scan done. It's a box in my bill. You know, go on like him a bill a big house. It's a box. 3 times you get number 1 that the box they done. Why the box they can't done? Eh? How long me a advocate for and I say the house have to done? Which month we in a November go December? And November 16 today be a going a blood clot December and the house can done. How long no you depend on the app? How long no you depend on the app? I tell we say you want done the house and we are helping towards the house and the house can done. Eh? You take with blood clot gift.
Well, my people, wanna tell more the thinking in the comment section. Well, GX, them say a word to the wise is always sufficient. And let me tell you this, my friend. Yo, the internet is a place where them pick you up and then them just kick you away. You see me I say it's an unforgiving place and it's not forever. Only the fittest and the fittest survive. Let me tell you something. You see the people them change for you already. and them can change again, because the level of support where you used to get, you now get it again. Let me tell you something, master. Save your money. Even if you're not buying a bed and buy this and buy that, save your money. You hear me say? Save your money. You see all of them NSC there when me see up on live or drink with people and array. Listen me, even if you drink a bottle of NSC, please do not come on TikTok while drinking it. Do not let TikTok see what you are drinking. You hear me say them, I go use it, cuss you, and the gift of them, I go draw with them support. Remember me did tell you, me know maybe you don't hear this still, but hopefully something in your head make you change your ways. Know you are the youth and show progress on the house. If the people them not satisfied with the progress with them sip on the house, them are gonna take time and draw. Be careful, youth. You see me? People make me know all the thing.
And a stunt pan the media send lion and blood clot tiger and boy you not have no bed. You not have no bed. You dey pan the media show with blood clot NC big pussy boy you not have no bed. Eh? The money where you use by NC, you go use it by 2 more blocks so the house done faster, pussy. Hear that? You see the money where you use and stun pan way, and I buy fish and NC buy more block. Buy more block. Because Batty Boy Jakes, yeah, use the people them. Yeah, use the people them, because the people them give the money for do the house, and yeah, use it by pussy and me. The house done long time. How much money for build that way house with Jakes a bill? Eh? Una says a little blood clot box Drake's a bill. You don't even have space where Drake's a bill the house. No space not there. Where Drake's a bill the house, no space is a box. It's a little box in my bill up. That should was done long time and a furnish right now. Sister Drake's taking off for blood clot clown pan the media. Yes, Sister Drake's having no give money for buy pussy. Eh? Una says that Drake's are using no do. Eh? Drake's are using no. If you give money for buy pussy and go buy NC and buy fish and stunt pan blood clot, when some idiot pan the media. Eh? If Jake's the one done the house done long time. It's a little house, it's a box in my bill. It's a box in my bill. But him use your Jake's never use, me never give Jake's $1 yet. Jake's use my platform, not me. Jake's use my platform, not blood clot me. Yes, him use my platform, not me. Me never give Jake's a blood clot $1 yet. Never give him $1. Him use my platform, not me. So you in the comment we're gonna say him use you too. Him use my platform, not me. And that's the reason why I take accountability and I bring him down for use my platform. Cause I'm my platform. And if me never make him use my platform, him could use it. But him never use me. Him use my platform. Him use my people him. And my people them give him #1 the first time. I never go over there go shoot. Me click on me there on my live and me send the people them go shoot. Me say guys wanna go give him #1. That was the first time he get #1. So him not use me, him use my people him. Him use my platform. And that's the reason why me there I tell the people them everything what me know. My platform I wanna me I talk to. My people them what Drake's use I wanna me I talk to. So guys, let me tell you now. When Rosealee did the online I bring down Drake's, King Bredda and him mother go find the underpants and something. When me call Drake's brother, him confirm it. But him say I don't know when them a big man or when them younger. So Drake's fuck batty. But you depend on the upper go like you hope it than nobody else. When a youth take your brother very. A youth, me kinda feel a way the man tell me this, but me have to bust up it blood clot, a fax me deal with. Me kinda feel a way, but me have to talk, a Drake's taking brother maiden. Drake's a you take your brother maiden. Rosealee never tell a lie, cause your brother admit it to me when me a defend your pussy. And so no a little pitney go on and when you know a big man. You bust up in body, in her underpants. Rosealee never tell a lie. So if you come about me, I got experience by your brother. Out a road me got experience. Out a road me go push my finger in a day. Wait, one tear Drake's, I'm my blood clot neighbor. The richest blood clot girl in my top people them. Top people them above my blood clot family go experience pan them bumbo clot data. Never experience pan my sister. What's wrong with you? How could you come about me? Eh? I'm a neighbor. I'm a neighbor data. Me go experience pan. Push my finger in her pum pum. Never tried that pan none of my siblings them yet. Come protect my sister them. I protect me, I protect them. But you never protect your brother. And you make your brother dip on the app right now act fruity. Cause your brother do act fruity. And you are the cost to that. You are the cost for that. Your brother do act fruity. Even if him not gay and you make him act so because you got trouble in body, him can't act normal after that. Him have to act lean. Him have to act lean because him body been touched. And you have to be blamed for that. Your brother never want go experience body pan him own and say, come Jakes, come put it in. No. I never saw him tell me say go. I never saw him tell me say go Jakes. But because him never want nobody for advocate fee, make me never bring down your blood clot. You know one if me a mad girl, me a advocate fee today and I bring you down the next day. Your brother tell me say, him now want me advocate fee, the two one did young and I pay Dalios. And you know do it without him knowledge. So me say, okay then. Him consent to it. It one young and I do nothing. So when Rosalie bring down your bingy batty wall, your beady batty wall you have back of you, me just make it go on. If the people remember, I never defend you and say a liar or true because me did already have conversation with your brother. And your brother tell me say yes are true. But I when him young. Me know you over here listen pussy. No all of your business. All of your business. All your sister, your brother say you fuck. All the girl when they see your mother grow, I'll she fuck off. Drake say he's a fuck addict, you fuck anything. You fuck all your little sister. Them say he's a fuck addict. I never miss.
Hey my people, TikTok is a wicked and dirty place, you know. Them people here, they're wicked and terrible and dirty, you know. We bring you down wicked and terrible and dirty, you know. You see me I say, me no know of no big man with them right mind. I go admit to certain things to a person where them not have no form of relationship with. You see me I say, I don't think that a big man I go do that. You see me, any big man will experience them something there, me feel like say them a go hold it down because them a go feel shame to talk about it and them with them. So Sky Diamond saying this, me are telling you it's a possibility, yes, it's not impossible. The man say ray. You understand? But I don't think that happened. Plus my people, me did hear when Rosealee did a cuss Bredda or a cuss and mention Jake's brother, and that was not what Rosealee said. You so me I say, let me tell you something. Me don't know if Rosealee say something like that one next time, but the live when Rosealee did I do it, Rosealee said Jake's tell she Rosealee say for him Jake's brother a batty man. You see me I say, and tell Rosealee wagwan. You see me? So Jakes was the one to tell Rosealee say him brother a batty man. So Rosealee say you see him one tell me say your brother a batty man. And me see two on a par and ray. You see me I say? So just through the brother must take Jake's side. That's why Rosealee said that to try drive a wedge between them. But make me know what to think, my people. Make me watch some more.
This is your brother. Him says a fuck addict. You fuck anything. You fuck all mad man. So me can't depend on the media argue with a boy like you, Jakes, when me know he's a madman and your brother tell me that. And your brother tell me say you're shit in a toilet and forgot to flush it. So how me if I argue with you? And your brother tell me say you're shit in a toilet, Jakes, and no tissue in the toilet so you know wipe your body. And your own family, your blood, and your blood tell me that's enough, friend. And your brother tell me that's enough, friend. And your blood brother tell me that's enough, friend. So how dare you come about me? Remember me used to advocate for your Jakes. I the same Sky Diamond this. Wait a sec, call him. Call your brother, I'ma call him. I the same Sky Diamond this I used to advocate for you. It's same Sky Diamond this where your blood, where you tell say your baby mother or your god sister. And you tell me say you never know when you go fuck Rosealee say your mother got that. You tell me say you never know. I see him Sky Diamond this where advocate for you. And when Rosealee bring you down, you explain the things them to me, or your brother explain the things them to me. Eh? I the same Sky Diamond this when Rosealee tell we your business and me a defend you. Don't figure out the same Sky Diamond this. It's not a different Sky Diamond. I bet if your house empty that you don't have a bed, you're a big man with grey hair full of balls. And you don't even have one furniture. If I were you, Jakes, and me come on TikTok the time where you come on TikTok, me I start my house and me I buy my little furniture before it done. Because guess what? The house not done, and if you not done, me still have to go live somewhere. Jakes, if the house not done, where are you going to live? You should make preparation, buy a little bed. Buy a little bed. Lean it up over your mother's house. And your brother where you play with him body, you can lean it up in her room.